2007 335i coupe. Wanted a sedan, but the coupe, it popped up and it was a good deal. I got to do some work to the front bumper. I'm gonna get the M front bumper, get the headlights cleaned off. Dirty car. Interior is definitely my favorite part though. This pretty brown interior, peanut butter style. Manual. Dang, this interior is nice though. Go ahead and lock that thing. Then I got a bunch of parts back here. So I'm about to get a whole bunch of maintenance done. The pulley set, got the belts, about to do the water pump. Got some oil that came in right there. It was in the forums, and then I seen another guy talking about you should never go below 10 weight. And I'm like, all right, bro, nobody know what they're talking about. So I'm gonna just go with the manufacturer's recommendation. Here we go. Oh, this is the thermostat. Got the new water pump right there. I got the coolant. What is this? This is some trans fluid I bought. Going to get the trans fluid switched out. Going to get the diff fluid switched out. The oil change. Of course, the coolant. God dang it, I can't get this box here. So many boxes. This is my 335i. Still can't get registered yet because this whole COVID and DMV, you got to set dates. So my date hasn't come up yet. But yep, I love that feature though. Definitely got to get that front bumper fixed, but that's minor. I'm worried about the maintenance first. But this is definitely the new project, so hey, I mean, I ain't gonna sit here and talk about what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do it. So when you see another video, that means I did something else to it. Thanks for checking out the video. Let me know what you think about the M54 335.